Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, Happy Easter! What? That's right, we are back. Hello everyone, Segev here coming at you with another video. Today, I'm going out like this to play Pokemon Go. I am going out in my Easter themed pajamas and playing Pokemon Go because you know what? I don't have dignity anymore, so... If you like the fact that I don't have any dignity anymore, please make sure you like this video. Oh my god, okay, this is the intro. I'm trying more snappy intros lately because, you know, why not? Oh, I have to claim all the rewards from all the hard work I did this week, hang on. We're also wrapping up the Spring into Spring event as well, which is kind of funny because you spring and then you hop for Easter. I don't know, it's worth a shot. And I haven't actually started this Spring into Bloom timed research, which is basically catch 15 fire, water and grass Pokemon, hatch an egg and use 15 berries to help catch Pokemon. We're gonna complete this today. There's also a Persimmon max battle that I really wanna try and take down, but we'll do the time research first because that's what you're all here for, the encounters, and see if they're any good or not. We're gonna do that by starting our daily adventure incense right now. First encounter being, let's zoom in a little bit, an Oddish. Hey, you can spring into spring with an Oddish, right? Is that how that works? Oddish is very spring themed. When I think Easter, I think Oddish. This video is very Oddish, I will say. Oh my god, guys, breaking news. Oh my god. No, it's not a shiny, but a Galarian Moltres has appeared. Oh my god. On raspberry. It's not shiny, but we're gonna do our best here. No! Oh, I choked that. No! Oh, damn it. Oh. Well, damn it. That would have been so cool. Oh. But we do have Glossifleur, which is a new Pokemon for this event, by the way. Oh, that would have been so clutch. It shook twice, so it gave me hope, but, you know, definitely gave my hopes up. Now that's always exciting. I have not, at least I encountered a Galarian bird. I haven't encountered one of those things in so long. Imagine if it was shiny. But hey, we encountered it. So let's keep going and see what else we find on this daily adventure incense. This is probably a good shout. I should probably play with my buddy. Now, for those of you who didn't see my most recent video, this thing, you know what, I am going to be doing quite a bit of walking today, so I will poffin this thing. My Hundo Tauros. Oh, I'm so excited for this thing. This was the solo raid that I had 7 seconds on that I managed to defeat. Oh, it was so good to shout out to those people who have seen this. Sock? It's not a daily adventure incense spawn anyway. Where is the daily? Oh, Miltank! Oh, my favorite spring Pokemon. It's no Galarian bird, but another thing that you don't encounter every day, a Skrelp. You don't see these very often. It is so windy today. Oh, and it's a critical capture. Why could it not be a critical capture on the Galarian bird? You kidding me? You've got to be joking me. That was so close to being a critical catcher on the Galarian bird. Just 2 away. Ugh, it's got to be a joke. Anyway, a Skrelp. That's a bit of fun. Oh, whoa, and a Staryu off the daily adventure incense? Okay. This daily adventure incense is kind of cracked. We get it. Hey, Staryu in the ball. Alrighty, we have a 7 kilometer egg hatching from our adventure this morning. It is a Hisuian Voltorb, which is not terrible. I'll clear out all my eggs because I've got the incubators to do so. That sounds like a weird flex. I won't do the bonus ones because the bonus ones can sit there. Oh, and I'll spin this stop so I can get 2 kilometer. Done. All right, I'm not gonna do the bonus ones, but we will do. It's Easter. Let's hatch all of our eggs. That sounds weird, guys. God spawn off the daily adventure incense. Forget the Galarian Moltres that appeared. We have Bidoof. Not a spawn I see out in the wild very often, a Zangoose. Now, I don't know why and I don't know how, I still do not have a good IV'd Zangoose. I don't know what it is. It's my luck, obviously, but I don't know why. I don't know how I cannot encounter, today's no different, a good IV'd Zangoose. I don't know whether this is cool or not. I find it cool. A Credilli off the daily adventure incense. The adventure incense spawns more frequent middle evolutions, I've noticed recently as well. They did do a revamp of the daily adventure incense. They never actually told us, not a lot of HP, they never actually told us what that was. Oh, while we're still on, like Donkey Kong, got 3 eggs ready to hatch. Let's see what these are. A Magby, a Bidoof, and another Bidoof. Are they any good though? Nope, nope, nope. Okay, well, you know. Oh, and it ran away right before our eyes. I'm going to do this now because it won't leave my screen. 34 Pokemon on the daily adventure incense. Because of the pass, I have unlocked the double duration. 34 and the Galarian Moltres that got away. Oh, no, there's a spot up here I can rest for a bit. All right, I have taken retreat here underneath in one of these nature reserves. The lighting is not great, so I do apologize for that, but hey, what do we do? My hair is out of control, but we're going to claim some research. We've done quite a bit of research. We're going to start with this Spring into Bloom Platinum timed research, which was basically, there was a catch 5 and catch 15 water, grass, fire type Pokemon. Hatching it used berries to help catch Pokemon 5 and 15 times for all of these encounters, one of which is an encounter with Remoraid, an encounter with Remoraid, okay, an encounter with Remoraid. Ooh, that's almost as good as the last one. An encounter with Remoraid. And finally, an encounter with Remoraid. And finally, let's claim page 1 of 2, a super incubator, 5,000 experience, an encounter with Glossifleur. All right, so if we look at page 2, it's the same, but it's fletchling this time. So there you go, don't be surprised. We've got to go past April to claim. Yes, we're still slow on that. We've got 5 Drampa candy, 5 Salandit candy, 15 Ultra Balls, 200 Max Particles, and an encounter with Jang Moo. Field Research, we're not going to catch a Ditto. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to do a re-roll on that one. But we do have an encounter with the new Flower Crown Eevee. I have been lucky enough to get a Flower Crown Eevee and a Flower Crown Pikachu. Is it any good? Hey, not bad. Definitely a win. And what is this Field Research giving out? Nice, two nice curveballs in a row, which we can definitely do. But it's time for the main event. A new Dynamax Passimian. I missed the max hour. Last week I had dance. Yes, I dance. Are we really surprised? So definitely now's our chance to do Dynamax Passimian. Wish me luck. Just wish me luck.
Many, many unbearable moments later.
Alright, Passimian down. About 4 million hours later. And Max Mushroom. I'm not impressed, but hey. 2 raspberries, Simeon candy, and some hoo-ha. I'll throw Gengar in there. I can use the gash, the candy. And no, I'm not going to power up my rewards. Not shiny, 1688. Probably not any good. Not a good throw. Just keeping in theme today. But it is in the Pokeball, and it's 3 stars at least. I will definitely take that any day. We're gonna make the journey home, complete these research, bring you back with our egg hatches too. We gotta work on our eggs. What eggs do we have? Oh yeah, we got a few eggs. So we'll bring you back for some of these eggs as well. Already 3 eggs about to hatch here. We have Glossifleur. Don't know why I did that motion. Another Glossifleur. And a Remoraid. Cool. Are these any good? Oh! Take that. Oh! I'll take that too. Eh. Wow, a 98 Glossifleur and a 98 Remoraid. Not hundos, but definitely nothing to sneeze at. We have 3 more eggs that we need to hatch before the outro of this video. 2.6 out of 3.5 and 2.6 out of 4. So 3 more eggs in the pool. Let's go. 2 more eggs here to hatch. We have a Quillfish, sure, and a Meowth. Very anticlimactic egg hatches. 1 more. Alrighty, we're back home now. Collingwood is here as well. Doing a Togetic raid on the way home just because I can. Oh yeah, my platinum medal for Fairy Girl. Oh, and we've got the egg hatching. Hey! It all happens all at once here at the Segev YouTube channel. It's a Pancham. Bit of a letdown of a day, right? No. I shouldn't say that. Every day, it's about perspective, right? It's about what you make of it. And boy, did we... Oh, there's my torch is getting excited. Oh, actually, we've got some research to claim. An encounter with Glossifleur. But we've got to claim this research here. Spring into Bloom. Encounter with Fletchling. An encounter with Fletchling. An encounter with Fletchling. An encounter with Fletchling. And an encounter with Fletchling. Rounding out the Spring into Bloom, Platinum Timed Research, Super Incubator, Lucky Egg, and an encounter with Glossifleur. All in all, no new shinies. And was there any new hundos? No, but hey, this video was designed to be a bit more casual, a bit more laid back. We got a 98 Glossifleur, we got a 98 Remoraid, we got the Passimian, we finished the timed research, we achieved everything that we wanted to do today. I do like sometimes just casually playing. It doesn't always have to be big bells and big whistles and stuff like that. If you did like this video, please consider giving it a like down below and let me know what ideas I should try next. What other weird and wacky clothing I should put on and make a fool out of myself. Alright. Happy Easter!